front of me is Nubia RedMagic 11A, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Apps section available here. Now tap on Default Apps under General and select one of those sections you want to manage. I want to change my browser, so I have to click here on Browser app. Tap on the one I want to apply, in this case Firefox, and go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!